Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust DPI on ASUS ROG Keris 2 ACE. To do it, in the Armoury Crate, go to Performance. Then, here you have 4 DPI slots and you can adjust them, all of them. So for example, let's set DPI 1 to let's say 550 and maybe DPI 3 to 2000. You can also adjust its colors like that. And now as you change your DPIs, you will see the color on the mouse. So let me show you that. Here is the DPI button, and when you change it, it shows the color. So now it showed yellow, so it's in DPI 4. Now it showed red, DPI 1, green, DPI 2, and blue, DPI 3. So I'm gonna set it to DPI 2, and that's how you do it. You can also enable or disable the Show DPI Change notification. You might have noticed, as I've changed my DPI, it showed a notification here, so you can disable that if you don't want it. And that's how you adjust the DPI. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.